Welcome once again, and let's talk about Luna. Having a great community is amazing. Having a great community will definitely help the particular coin to really increase in price. Now, Luna Classic have a great community. Of course, their community has actually been supporting Luna Classic, especially in the area of burning. Now, Luna Classic community has now burned a total of 48.5 billion Luna Classic coin with a recent burning. Okay, Luna Classic community have now burned a total of 48.85 billion coins. Now, I believe this is a great news to see that Luna Classic is really gaining ground. Now, their community, one thing I love about Luna Classic community is because remember that it's not all coin that a lot of people lost so much money. People still have faith in these coins, but Luna Classic, after the crash of Luna Classic, you see some people still believe, some Luna Classic community, we are still there standing with Luna Classic. And I believe that Binance founder CZ is one of the top people that keep on pushing, keep on making sure that Luna Classic stands, and that's why I refer to him as the backbone of Luna Classic coin. Now, today, the community of Luna Classic have now burned a total of 48.85 billion coins of Luna Classic LUNC. Wow. So when you go to Twitter, when you go to Instagram, Luna Classic now have a lot of followers. Even though Luna Classic holders have not even recorded about 100, we are in fact our target is to hit 100,000 holders. Okay, but I believe that this is going to we are going to achieve this gradually before the end of this year. You might see Luna Classic hitting 1 cent. Now, right now, people will still rush to buy Luna Classic, but the only thing we need right now is for Luna to start rising massively, is for Luna to start increasing massively. By the time Luna hits 100%, 500%, you'll see a massive buy. Okay, now this coin for me is a future coin. I think this year this coin is going to hit 1 cent. The way Luna Classic has been going, with the great community they have, with the burning, they have been burning, destroying Luna Classic coins. With the support from Binance founder CZ, this coin is going to be one of the biggest coin of 2023. Well, for me, I'm happy to see 48.85 billion being burned, being destroyed by Luna Classic community, by LUNC community. It's amazing to see this coin continue to go. At least we have taken out 48.5 billion. Let's watch, let's march towards destroying, towards burning over 200 billion before August, and I believe before the end of this year. I'm praying for Luna Classic to destroy about 500 billion coins before the end of, before December 31st, before the end of this year. I mean, that is going to really help this coin to really increase in price, and it's a good one for Luna Classic community. Now, I say shout out to Luna Classic community. You guys are wonderful. You guys have been doing great. I'm happy that this coin have continued to increase in price. Now, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.